Bangaqeda umlingiswa kuma-television owayedlala indawo kaMajola laphana kwisibaya sawubona kuphi nakubi kufinyeka khona lombuso njengamanje ukubingelelayo yena Mathindi acebisa intombi umqhamulo amehla akho abanye baqhamulo imalibwazi ngana kwethu ungabe usuku lakho lokuqala la ngicela usenze ukulungela upress i-subscribe button ushare uphinde comment wenze sure ukuthi uyalike ukuze njalo mase kufaka ama-video kube wena oqala uthola notification owayedlalela isibaya kumabona kude ubonga ke abantu abadonatayo uyaphinda futhi uyacela ukuthi mawukuthi usanethuba noma usafuna ukuthi udonate ucela ukuthi umfakele kulezi nombolo eyivelile la escreenini noma ke uye laphana ku Back Body campaign ilink yakhe la khona abayinikelela khona ukuthi badinga usizo uthi ke baningi kakhulu abantu abanikela futhi uyakujabulela uyabonga ukuthi ke abantu bakwazile ukuthi bezwelane naye njengoba ke sazi ukuthi abantu hleli bekhomenta kwe comment section nababongile kunabakhulume kuthanda kabi njengoba ke ekhuluma isingisi lana kunomunye nje othena hey awuxakekile wena usakhuluma isingisi kushuthi awuxakekile angani zakuthi kanti isingisi sikhuluma mhla ukuthi right yini omunye ngoba uthena niyeke ukusichomela mangabe sinibulisa izinto zisahamba kahle nayi ivideo yakhe ke umlingisi wa TV bonga noma ke ecela ukuthi abafuna ukuphosa abaphose.
Sanibonani Mzansi. I would like to thank each and every person that has made a donation into our Back and Body campaign. I would also love to thank those who have made a deposit into my personal account. All the monies that are coming in are making a huge difference in our lives. My kids and I are eternally grateful. We are deeply humbled by your kindness. For those who still want to make contributions, whether into our Back and Body campaign or into my personal account, there's a link below and you will find it also in the comment section, and my personal banking details appear on the screen. Thank you, thank you, thank you.